UK inflation drops into single digits, but the numbers still exceed all estimates as core prices continue to surge. Let's get the details with Lizzy Burden, Bloomberg's UK correspondent. Lizzy, how do we interpret this data then?
So we're down from 10.1% to 8.7%, as you say, back in single digits, but economists had expected 8.2%. The Bank of England itself had expected 8.4%. So it comes back to questions around the Bank of England's economic forecasting, its modelling, which the chief economist Hugh Pill actually raised himself in Parliament yesterday. Governor Andrew Bailey said it's partly because of the assumption that inflation would fall as fast as it rose, and it hasn't. The fall is almost entirely accounted for by base effects. So this near 50% rise in household energy bills that we saw last year effectively fell out of the annual comparison. But you've got annual food price inflation still at near historic highs, even if it ticked down. So that's going to hurt the poorest Brits the most. Remember, Andrew Bailey's talked about grocers, food producers trying to protect their margins. And what's also worrying is if you strip out food and energy and you look at core inflation, that was expected to hold steady, and yet it rose. So that's what's really worrying for the Monetary Policy Committee. And as a result of this print, traders are now pricing for the peak rate to be 5.5% instead of the 5% they saw beforehand.